Hello and welcome. In this video, we will walk through how production leaders can monitor and manage manufacturing performance more effectively. As production scales, it becomes harder to track plant-wise output, identify batch delays early, and surface quality-related issues before they impact supply commitments. One of our clients, a leading pharmaceutical manufacturer, faced this exact challenge. They needed a faster way to track production progress, compare performance across plants, and intervene before issues escalate. So we designed this tool specifically for the head of production who requires real-time, actionable visibility into operations. With this dashboard, teams can monitor plant and drug level production in real time, diagnose reasons for missed targets quickly, improve efficiency and output with targeted actions, ensure consistent quality and on-time delivery. If your team is facing similar challenges, then you can book a free consultation using the link below. Now, let's have a quick look at how this tool works. At the top, we have two high-level KPIs, percentage target reached and total doses produced. These give us an immediate sense of overall production output and how close we are to meeting weekly targets. To the right of that, we have the production trend chart. This shows how production levels are tracking week by week compared to expected targets. In the middle section, we have a production breakdown view covering both plant-wise and drug-wise performance. On the left, a bar chart shows how each plant is performing against its target. Next to it, we have a drug-wise production chart which displays weekly volumes for major drugs. Below that, two visuals assess quality and efficiency. Drug quality issues shows complaints per dose. Batch production time compares actual versus expected time per drug. These help us flag any issues with production quality or delays in processing. At the bottom, we focus on resource usage. Equipment utilization shows how intensively machinery is used each week. Raw material stock versus requirement helps us monitor inventory levels. Personnel utilization reflects staff attendance over time. If you want early visibility into workforce or production slowdowns before they impact output, you can schedule a free consultation using the link below. Now, let's dive deeper. We see that overall, the organization achieved only 91% of its production target. To understand what went wrong, we first look at the weekly production trend. Looking at the trend, we see output staying fairly close to target in the first 3 weeks. But in the week of June 12th, there is a clear and sharp drop that noticeably affects overall performance. To pinpoint the source of this drop, we look at the next visual. Here, New Jersey stands out with the largest gap between target and actual output, far higher than what we see in Chicago or Seattle. This suggests that New Jersey is driving most of the overall shortfall. The next view breaks down total production by drug. We can click here and select New Jersey. This filters the entire dashboard to show only New Jersey's data. We can clearly see that Covaxin is well below target, with the largest gap in the week of June 12th. The next visual shows batch production time. Covaxin batches are taking around 7.3 hours instead of the expected 5.4 hours. This is nearly 2 hours longer. This extra time directly slows down overall production. To understand why, we'll look at the personnel utilization for the same period. We notice a clear dip in attendance during the week of June 12th. With fewer staff available, batch processing slowed down, leading to the production shortfall we saw earlier. Teams can now investigate the reasons for low attendance during this period and take steps to ensure it doesn't affect production in the future. To see how this dashboard performs on your own data, you can schedule a free production health assessment right now. We are your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.